In this video, we will see Moore's law and how it will help to predict and define the future. Moore's law, predicting the doubling of transistors on an integrated circuit every 2 years, guided the semiconductor industry and set targets for governments and militaries for several decades. However, it also created a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading to exponential gains and rapid advances. But as the slope of Moore's law curve flags, the industry is looking for a new, coordinating concept. It helped software developers anticipate the size of their software releases. The exponential gains from reducing the size of microchips led to rapid advances and made the future harder to predict. The slope of Moore's law curve is flagging, and chips are coming up against material limits, such as the paucity of metals with suitable electronic properties, fabrication costs, and heat dissipation. Moore's law predicted and defined the future of the semiconductor industry, but as it ages, the industry is looking for a new, coordinating concept to guide investments and set targets.